Hey! This is Denzel from Lloydminster Toyota. Today I want to talk to you guys about the two yet simple filters that can keep your car running smoothly, your engine filter and your cabin air filter. First, let's dive into the engine air filter. It keeps dirt, dust, and debris from getting to your engine, so it gets clean and it needs to perform its best. A clean engine air filter means better fuel efficiency, more power, and a longer life for your engine. Here's some sign that your cabin air filter is dirty. Reduce AC or heating power. If the cabin air filter is clogged, air struggles to flow through the system, leaving you with weak heating or cooling performance. Bad smells inside the car. Mold, mildew, or bacteria can grow on a dirty filter, releasing musty or unpleasant odors when the air is turned on. In affecting defogging or defrosting, a clogged filter makes it harder for the system to clear fog or moisture from windows, leaving them less clear and harder to drive with. Strange sounds from the fan. A packed filters can cause debris to get caught in the blower motor, making it sound rough or making rattling noise. Now, here's some signs for your dirty engine air filter. Lower fuel efficiency. A blocked air filters restrict airflow to the engine, causing it to burn more fuel to compensate for the lack of oxygen. Weaker performance and sluggish acceleration. With less air entering the engine, combustion suffers and you may notice a lack of power or slower acceleration. Both of these filters are quick to replace and will help your car perform at its best. Every time you come in for service, we will notify you if your filters are dirty and recommend a replacement if needed. Want them to get checked or replaced? Schedule an appointment at Lloydminster Toyota. We will help you breathe cleaner air and keep your engine running strong. See ya!